Hello my friends, my name is Masingir Tarigan with MPN 22290811115. On this occasion I will make a presentation with the title Fear of Missing Out or FOMO. Background: Fear of missing out or FOMO is defined as the fear of losing valuable moments of individuals of other groups where the individual cannot be present. Fear of missing out is characterized by a desire to continue to be in touch with what individuals are doing. A high level of FOMO can cause problems because individuals tend to always check their social media account to see what other people are doing, so that individuals are willing to ignore their own activities. Frequent access to social media results in significant change in patterns of direct interaction between individuals. This FOMO behavior will then to be negative if it is not handled. The pandemic situation has caused a transformation in the world of education naturally. Efforts to prevent the spread of the coronavirus continue to be carried out by the central government to local governments through policies to maintain learning activities through the transformation of the education system from a face-to-face learning system to an online learning model, or Kemendikbud RA 2020. Delimitation to face-to-face communication during the COVID-19 pandemic mode. Teenagers feel afraid of missing the moment, or better known as FOMO, or fear of missing out. Status that condition in which a person feels stirred or exalted because of excessive information that is then to be more women than men, with a percentage of 71% for women and 84% for men. Meanwhile, according to research conducted by veteran men, or 2021, it shows that there is a significant positive correlation between fear of missing out and academic stress in students in the new life adoption era. It means that the higher the fear of missing out, the higher the academic stress of students in the new life adoption era. Have to and vice versa, based on a preliminary study via Google from conducted by researchers. The online lecture system in higher education is an effective solution for implementing education during a pandemic and has been implemented in the lecture process. Online learning in Indonesian is regular. Concerning implementation of education in the emergency period of coronavirus disease or COVID-19, online learning is a type of learning process that utilizes an internet network connection in implementing the learning process. The impact felt by students includes students being required to study independently and when there are difficulties in understanding a material and sometimes access to information is constrained by signal. Conditions like this cause slow students in accessing information. Students are sometimes left behind with the information conveyed by lectures, so they are late in submitting a given assignment or commonly put RA 2020. If information about high knowledge is not accompanied by control, over time this as will cause problems. Called fear of missing out or FOMO was conducted at all 2020. This FOMO phenomenon is important to study because in individuals who are emerging adults or who are generally at the tertiary level as students during a pandemic. Due to suggestion for self-isolation so that physical and social interaction are reduced, which prevents a person from fulfilling one of their basic needs, namely that need to belong and be connected to other people. FOMO encourages someone to increase their involvement in the use of social media in everyday life and even interferes with learning activities that make it difficult for someone to set priorities and manage their time and get poor academic results which has the potential to increase academic stress. Based on the background above, the research want to know how the description of for missing out or FOMO. In level 1, student of the ITSK D3 Nursing Study Program RS Dr. Seprawan during the COVID-19 pandemic. Problem formulation. Based on this background, the formulation of the problem in this study is how is the fear of missing out or FOMO described in grade 1. Research objective. The purpose of this study was to fill out the description of fear of missing out or FOMO in level 1 student of the D3 Nursing Study Program ITSK-RS Dr. Seprawan during the COVID-19 pandemic. Reserve beliefs. This reserve is expected to provide benefits both in terms of theoretical as well as practical. Theoretical benefits. This research makes a sensitive contribution and Enrique's physical theories related to fear of missing out or FOMO. He later one student of ITSK, the three nursing study program Dr. Sopran during the COVID-19 pandemic. Practical benefits. Maybe that's all I can explain. If there are words or pronunciations that are not clear, I apologize and thank you.